For disassembling, you need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2. You will also need the SIM door key, the camera removal tool SS210 and the unibody opening tool SS282. Protect the display window with protective film. Open the SIM tray by inserting the SIM door key to the hole in the release door. Pull out the SIM tray. Remove the lock pin label with tweezers. Do not use it again. Discard it. Withdraw the lock pin with the shown tweezers. Be careful not to damage the lock pin or the body assembly. Pull out the lock pin. Insert the unibody opening tool SS282 to the lock pin hole and lever up the top right corner of the display assembly. Be careful not to damage the body assembly or the display assembly. Release the right side of the display assembly by opening the two shown clips with the SRT6. Lift up the right side of the display assembly. To get access to all of the screws, place the SS93 under the left side of the device. Then lift the left side of the display assembly over the left edge of the body assembly and flip open the display assembly. Be careful not to damage the UI flex or the display flex. Unscrew the 7 Torx Plus size 4 screws in the order shown. Do not use them again. Discard them. Unscrew the 3 camera cross screws with a camera cross screwdriver in the order shown. Do not use them again. Discard them. Remove the USB sealing plug with tweezers. Release the left side of the chassis from the 2 shown places with the SS93. Note that the battery is still connected, so be careful not to cause a short circuit. Be careful not to damage the flexes while releasing the chassis. Insert the sharp end of the SS93 to the shown hole to disconnect the battery. Be careful not to damage the connector or any components nearby. Note that the battery is taped to the chassis. Lift up the left side of the chassis and remove it, including the battery. Open the UI connector and the display connector with the SRT6. Be careful not to damage the connectors or any components nearby. Remove the display assembly. The SS93 can now be removed. Open the side key connector with the SRT6. Be careful not to damage the connector or any components nearby. Remove the primary microphone boot with tweezers. Release the two shown clips holding the engine board with the sharp end of the SS93. Be careful not to damage any components nearby. Lift up the engine board from the bottom end. Remove the engine board to the direction shown. Remove the USB boot with tweezers. Remove the camera boot with tweezers. Remove the IHF lid seal plug with tweezers. Release the battery from the chassis with the SS93. Remove the battery. Remove the top battery adhesive from the chassis with tweezers. Note that the top battery adhesive may differ from the one used in this video. Do not use it again. Discard it. Remove the battery adhesive from the battery with tweezers. Do not use it again. Discard it. Release the clip on the bottom side of the engine board holding the earpiece and USB holder assembly with the sharp end of the SS93. Be careful not to damage any components nearby. Remove the earpiece and USB holder assembly. Open the Dipper camera flex connector with the SRT6. Be careful not to damage the connector or any components nearby. Remove the Dipper camera flex. Release the three shown shielding lids from the top side of the engine board with the dental tool and remove them with tweezers. Be careful not to damage any components nearby. Do not use them again. Discard them. Release the 5 shown shielding lids from the bottom side of the engine board with the dental tool and remove them with tweezers. Be careful not to damage any components nearby. Do not use them again. Discard them. Place the SS210 on top of the camera. Be careful not to damage the 2 shown springs. Push down the metal sheets to unlock the camera retaining clips. Hold from the shown sides of the SS210 and lift up to remove the camera. Now the Nokia Lumia 900 disassembly procedure is complete.